Maintaining a clean and efficient silo operation is critical. Griffin Filters silo filter vents are designed to effectively vent silos during filling, preventing product loss and ensuring environmental compliance. For applications where a low positive silo pressure is acceptable, our natural vented silo filter vents provide a reliable and cost-effective solution. These bags will require cleaning after the truck is unloaded. When a negative silo pressure is desirable, choose our blower-assisted silo filter vents, which utilize a blower to enhance ventilation and prevent pressure buildup. These bags will require cleaning after the truck is unloaded. From natural vented to blower. Assisted to continuous duty, Griffin Filters offers a silo filter vent solution to meet your specific needs. Consider adding our Automatic Overfill Control System for complete silo protection. Contact us today at griffinfilters.com to learn more and request a quote. For further information, visit our website, griffinfilters.com, or call us 1-315-451-5300.